In this program, we are going to enter 3 sides and check if triangles can be formed or not. So first of all, we need to know how a triangle is formed. Whenever we take 3 sides, the thing is the sum of the 2 sides should always be greater than the third side. Otherwise, the triangle is not formed. You can check it for yourself. Let us say you take 2 sides as 3, 3 and the fourth side as 6. You will find that the triangle is not formed. You can check it for yourself. Now, taking the sides input as A, B and C. So, taking them as float and enter side A. Prompting the user appropriately and typecasting it. Similarly, we can take help of copy paste and change the variable names for side B and side C. Saving the file with triangle check.py because we are going to check if a triangle is formed or not. So, using the if clause, if sum of the 2 sides, that is A plus B, is greater than C, and there may be a case that B plus C should be greater than A and C plus A should be greater than B. That is, taking any 2 sides, the sum should be greater than the third side. So, printing, if the condition is true, that triangle can be formed. Similarly, if that is not the case, then triangle won't be formed. So prompting the user that triangle is not formed, saving it and running it. So giving up side A 3, side B as 3 and the side C as 6, the triangle cannot be formed as 3 plus 3 is not greater than 6. Now again taking another program and running it. Let us say 3, 4 and 5, the triangle can be formed. You can check that 3 plus 4 is greater than 5, 4 plus 5 is greater than 3 and 3 plus 5 is greater than 4 respectively. So a triangle can be formed here.